Hi, I'm Amalie with Systematic Excellence Consulting. Today I'm going to go over widgets, and with doing that, I'm also going to go over dashboards. So, widgets are a part of dashboards. So, how you get to dashboards is on the left-hand side over here. It'll say dashboards. I just created a quick one similar to the one that we use with our clients, but this is just a template to show you. I'll also, in a minute, create a new dashboard so you can see. So these are the different widgets here, okay? And there's a lot of different options for them. I just wanted to show one example so you can see like a real life use of them. So if this was like a client dashboard, we have a little welcome here with a welcome video that I made really quickly. And just, you can do checklists inside of the widgets. This is an image. You can add attachments, so they could be images. Important links. You can also link to tasks. So this is a task list, and so the person can actually see that, and you can actually click into the task right inside, right from the dashboard. And then this is a chat. So you can have a chat with a client right inside of the dashboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new dashboard. We're going to call it dashboard 1. And then we're going to add widgets. So the way that you add widgets, you just hit add widget. And these are the different options that you can add widgets for. So with the image that I put in, it's a text box. So you just name it. Maybe it's the welcome. And then this is all the same commands as you would have in the task description and in documents. So you can just see here, and the way that I did the image, I just did an attachment and then just selected a file. So there's a lot of different ways to do things in here. So if we wanted to, workload by status, it gives lots and lots of options here. We can do tags. If we wanted to, you can select the location. Maybe we want to select all of them. And we want to show all tags, include subtasks, if that's, whatever you want to see, and then add widget. Then it's going to show us like what we have going on there. Some of the other things that we use this for is time tracking. So you have to have the business or unlimited subscription, but for us and with our team, we use the timesheet and the time tracking to look at people's workloads and then also to see their track time. You can look at things by assignee, so we can look at tasks by assignee if we want to select, whatever. Select the different locations. Maybe we want to see subtasks. Maybe we don't want to see closed. You can filter by certain things, and then just hit the add widget, and then it's going to show us. Obviously, I'm the only one that's assigned tasks in here, so that's what it's showing. So you have a lot of different options. I think with dashboards, it helps you get a larger view instead of being kind of knee deep in everything in the spaces. If you need to get a quick glimpse of or snapshot of what's going on, this is what it can help you do. Priorities, so you can break things down by, what you have going on. If you use sprints, obviously you can do that. Embedding, so you can embed Google Docs, Google Sheets, you can embed other URLs, Twitter feeds. So if you want to have a place where you see the Twitter feed, you can do that. YouTube videos. So if you have a YouTube video that you want, like as a welcome, maybe the dashboard is the welcome place for clients or new team members, you can create something like that. You can create tables. Let's see. I think those are kind of the main things that we use it for. But again, there's a lot of different options here, and it helps you get a snapshot of what's going on, in a complete snapshot of what's going on in your business. The widgets are fantastic. So, you know, having the dashboards, where we use them the most is for clients and for the time tracking. That's where we use them the most, and getting an idea of like workloads and things like that. So I hope that was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to catch our future videos. We'll start rolling out some tutorial videos, some real life applications of the different features in ClickUp. And if you are looking for additional help, there's a link below that you can book a free call, get on. Let's see if I can help you get set up in ClickUp or using it more effectively. Again, my name is Amalie. I'm with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and thank you so much for watching.